In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove item in Sam's Club 2026. First, open your browser and go to samsclub.com. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to log in before you can manage your cart. That's normal. Just sign in so the site can show your current items. Once you land on the home page, take a moment to let everything load. At the very top right corner of the page, look for the cart icon. It typically looks like a small shopping cart and may also show a number indicating how many items are currently in your cart. Click the cart icon to open your cart page. This will display a list of everything you've added. You'll see product names, sizes or options, prices, and the quantity for each item. If your cart is empty, you'll see a message to that effect, but if you're here to remove something, you should see at least one item listed. Next, locate the specific item you want to remove. If you have several items, scroll through the list and confirm you're looking at the correct product by checking the title, any variant like flavor or size, and the price. It helps to match what you see here with what you originally intended to purchase. Now, look for the word remove associated with that item. It's usually placed near the quantity selector or under the product details. On some screens, it may appear as a link, a button, or within a small menu represented by 3 dots. On mobile, you might need to tap the item or the menu to reveal the remove option. Click remove. If a confirmation prompt appears, confirm that you do want to remove the item. In most cases, the change happens instantly. The item disappears from the list, your subtotal updates, and the number on the cart icon decreases accordingly. If you don't immediately see remove, try expanding any menus near the item, or look for a way to adjust the quantity to 0, which may trigger removal. Also, if you remove the wrong item by accident, you can use your browser's back button or search for the product again and add it back to the cart. Finally, double check your cart to make sure only the items you still want remain and that the totals look correct. That's it. Your selected item has been removed and your cart is now up to date.